Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Honor Magic 6 Lite. So you have to start with opening your Google application. And now click on your avatar and then click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click on Continue and you have to enter your lock screen password. Now you have to scroll down again and check these two checkboxes and then click on Delete account. And now your account has been deleted, so let's recover your account. So open Google Play Store, for example, and click Sign In. And now you have to type in your email address again. And now, as you can see, my account has been deleted, and to recover my account I have to click Next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click Agree. And scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.